Hello kids, let's learn colors names. Red color, brown color, pink color, green color, thick green color, sky blue color, violet color, orange color, pink color, blue color and yellow color. A for apple. Sky blue color. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hat. I for ink. J for jar. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for table. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yellow paint. Z for zebra. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.